Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a custom background in Geometry Dash. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just make your own custom background normally. So you would place blocks on the level editor itself, and let's go ahead and add this random effect to our background. Once again, I know it's ugly, but I'm making it so you will be able to follow this tutorial even easier. But once again, you can then customize your background the way you want to. Maybe you can add some stars or you can add some more effects. But after designing your design right here or your background the way you want to, what you want to do is to highlight everything, and then you can then copy and paste your background so it lines up perfectly onto your other background effects right here. And basically you then want to repeat this until you have maybe covered some portion of the map itself. So maybe you want to place something like in 20 copies of your design onto the background right here. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick, where we will then copy everything and place it this way. Now basically, after designing your background, you then want to grab a move trigger onto the triggers option. Also, you want to make sure to go ahead and group all of your backgrounds into a free group. So click on added group. In my case, since this is a new level, I'll just click on the add to group one, click on OK, and then of course we then want to navigate through the move trigger, which is going to be on the first level, and then you want to place your move trigger on where your character will simply spawn or start. So in my case, it's going to be this one. Click edit object, and then you want to make sure to lock the X right here, and you want to reduce the mod X into something like 0.7. And for the move time, you want to set this to an observed number like 99999. And basically from there, just click on the touch trigger, and then you want to target the background. In our case, it's going to be the group ID number 1. Click on the OK button, and basically from there, we have successfully made a background on our Geometry Dash level. So of course, you can edit the background right here the way you want to, or you can edit out the move trigger. If you want to make the background to follow you even faster, you can of course just do that. And so guys, from there, you have made yourself a custom background in Geometry Dash. Once again, just adjust the move time and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.